Guys, welcome back to my channel. This chair is gonna bother me right here. So you guys, today I told you I was gonna do In-N-Out animal style fries. I have waffle fries, not McDonald's fries or like the regular shoestring fries they have, only because Mahogany is sick and I didn't want to have to take her out in the cold. I had waffle fries, so I just fried up a batch. Turn this up some. Like I was saying, I just fried up a batch and then put the cheese all over. I got the, I guess it's called a special sauce, I don't know. But here's the sauce, and I got my onions, caramelized onions right here. Oh, and I got, y'all can't see, but a strawberry cake with glaze. I made it. It's like, that'd be nice to have. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and pour this sauce on top. I don't really want too much sauce because I don't want my fries to get soggy. It kind of reminds me of the Yum Yum sauce, like when you get hibachi. That's what it kind of reminds me of. Got my onions. I have been waiting to try this for like the longest. Finally, the day has come. I know it probably don't taste nothing like In-N-Out, but you know, until I be able to get to an In-N-Out, then I gotta work with what I can work with. So thirsty. I'm so upset. I can't get my microphone to work. I don't know what's wrong with it. I gotta play around with it and get it working. Let's see how these taste. That tastes good. These onions makes it taste even better. We don't have it In-N-Out nearby for me to try them. I don't even know where one is close by North Carolina is. I'm pretty sure there's one close, but I never thought to look it up. These onions, oh. I love onions. This heat from this thing is hot. The sauce recipe was simple to make. You just needed mayo, ketchup, pickle relish, vinegar. Well, the one I seen had vinegar in it. But I've seen a couple people add sugar. So I added sugar. It tastes pretty good. Like I said, it reminds me of the yum yum sauce that you get with hibachi. That was hot. Yes, most definitely. I will most definitely make these again. My happy dance. I'm pretty sure if I can get this microphone to work, the sound will be on point. But I gotta figure out how to do it. I can't hook up to my camera because I got the Canon G7X, so it doesn't work that way. I had it hooked up the other day when it was working, but now it's like it records but you don't hear any sound. So I don't know. Okay guys, I'm back. I had to go downstairs and get Mahogany. She woke up and to get me a plate. I'm hot. Give me a plate for some of my cake. Cover your mouth, girl. Don't pull back now. I love extra icing. So good. I'm so upset about my camera because I really want to do ASMR. I can't do it because my camera is just, I mean, more my microphone. What's up? Okay. Whoa. Man, if I can get it. You say so good. See that? I ate half of my fries. I want to do a St. Patty's mukbang, but I have no clue what Irish people eat. So if y'all know, or if y'all want to see me eat a certain thing, comment down below and let me know. I'm wasting food. For some reason today this Coke is not hitting. Let's see. There. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you didn't enjoy this video, still give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and your post notification bell. And comment down below what you guys want to see me eat for a St. Patty's mukbang. I've seen, I think it's like Irish stew or something like that. I guess it's kind of like beef stew, but I don't know. I want to try that, but I don't know. Give me some ideas of what you guys want to see me eat. And I also think I'm going to have my sister join me on that St. Patty's mukbang. And I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye. Mwah.